Walking closely with us, giving us an opportunity to serve. Our clients express their joy and pride on Aashwasan's journey of 18 years.
Hi Rashmi Auntie. Congratulations on completing 18 years of Aashwasan. Happy birthday to you. Love you loads. I'm feeling relaxed and nice and like to play a small tune for you.
Walking
Thank
closely
you.
with us, giving us an opportunity to serve. Our clients express their joy and pride on Aashwasan's journey of 18 years.
Hi, my name is Vidya Ramaya. I'm from Malaysia. I discovered Aashwasan through a TV breakfast show. I was watching it, and this beautiful young lady in a blue sari was staring back at my face, talking about Aashwasan. And they said that they were going to do events, and the word event itself kind of got me excited. So I gave them a call and I said, okay, I'm an event person. Can I be of any assistance? And they said, please come over. And I did. I went over. They didn't exactly need my help, but they ended up helping me. At that time, if you had asked me, so what have they done for you? I wouldn't have known what to tell you. At that moment, I needed some strength. They helped me out with it, and then that's all I could say, And many years later, now as I'm going through some serious health issues and needed some directions in life, I realized whatever we worked on at the beginning is what has given me the strength to deal with what I'm going through right now. Aashwasan, Rashmi, Ravi, Maithili, a few other names, Robert, everybody, they've helped me in so many ways that right now I know the reason I have this strength is because of what they have done, what they have helped me with. Happy anniversary. My love and hugs to everyone, and thank you so much for everything that you are. Thank you.
To me, Rashmi and her team at Aashwasan represent unconditional love and trust.
I am extremely happy to say a few words about Aashwasan and Rashmi ji. I met her once. She gave me an extremely valuable advice regarding my health. And also, I would like to add that several healings I received were of great value to support my health. And it is appropriate for more and more people to be informed about the good work that Aashwasan is doing and how the people are getting excellent benefit. I express my great regards to Rashmi ji, and also I express my gratitude to Aashwasan healers who have helped me a lot. Thank you.
Hello, good day everyone. I just want to share a little bit about my son who did his healing with Rashmi. So, Rashmi came to Malaysia the very first time, and there was an article in the newspaper. So, a friend of mine saw the article and she said, "Hey, why don't you go and get your son healed?" I read this article, it sounds really good, but I was reluctant because I have done so much for my son. Just name it, traditional, Western, Chinese, everything. I've done everything for my son, but nothing was working. So I didn't want to trust this 100%. But I still went to see because my friend forced me. So I went to see Rashmi, but I didn't get to see her at the very beginning. So Ravi was there. He interviewed me, but I think Rashmi is so powerful. She could sense me personally, and she sent someone to come and invite me to see her personally. And when I saw her, she asked me to stop the medication for my son because my son was epilepsy and he's a cerebral palsy. So he was taking his epilepsy drugs, which was causing damage to his liver and kidney. And Rashmi, my dear sister, told me not to give the medication. I said, no, I'm not going to stop this because I know how my son suffers when he gets his epilepsy. But yeah, she assured me that she's going to do the healing, and I will be able to see the changes. And yeah, I gradually stopped his medication slowly, not at one go. But after the healing, touch wood, until today, my son have not got fits. I've traveled so many other countries with my son. I even went to India, the Himalayas, and I was a bit scared that my son normally gets fits when he's tired, when his body is exhausted. But Rashmi, I called her. I said, I really need your help. Please help me so that nothing happened to my son. And she said, no, trust me, nothing will happen. He'll be fine. And I just can't thank her enough because I still sit back and think. I'm a Malaysian and I moved to New Zealand, but the only thing which was I was afraid of is because of my son's disability. Because of him, I will not get my residency. But I think what Rashmi sister has done, the best for my son. I think if I have not met her, my son will still be having his epilepsy, and that would have caused more damage to his brain and physical appearance, and even in terms of intellectual, he could have become, he could have become worse. But today I'm still thinking that what Rashmi has done for me and my son, I just can't thank her enough from my bottom of my heart, because today where I am and where my son is with me in New Zealand, we got our residency just early this year in January. But without Rashmi, I don't think so I'll be here today. I really want to thank her from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. I will never forget you, and I keep going around talking about you for what you have done for my son. And I wish Aashwasan will be able to help as many people as possible out there. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you from the bottom.
Hi all, I'm Sumeth from Bangalore. In 2021, my CEO introduced me to Aashwasan as I was going through a health crisis. In my first session with Ravi, my mentor, he described my inner world so accurately that I felt that there was some sophisticated, advanced scan done on me. He was able to describe the chaos that I was having internally. I knew that my health issues were because of the psychological issues that I was going through, and I tried working on it myself by reading a lot of self-help books. But every time I took this journey within, I would see so many things and get more and more confused and more frustrated. What next? I decided to work with Ravi because it felt right. For the first 3 months, Ravi and I, we worked every week where he would strategize, he would come up with new tools to help me work with my inner chaos. In 3 months, I started noticing difference. And that's when Ravi decided to reduce the frequency of the sessions from weekly to bi weekly. For 3 to 6 months, I was working with him. We went deep inside and we were able to heal so many things. 12 months down the line, I was a new personality. My health improved. Mentally, I was so calm. Emotionally, I was feeling blissful. That's when I decided that I want to continue this association for more. And that's when I decided that I would go ahead and take session every month. In the last 12 months, I've been taking sessions every month. And the amount of self connection, the strong bond between me and my authentic self is just developing and getting stronger and stronger. Emotionally, mentally, I'm getting resilient. And I want to continue this. I want to continue doing this work. For me, I think Aashwasan has helped me find my own self, and I'm very grateful for this. On, it is 18th birthday of Aashwasan, and I wish you a very happy birthday. And I wish that you continue to touch more and more lives and develop more and more acceptance to their authentic self. Only when we start accepting our own selves, that is where I think, this world will become a beautiful place. So thank you so much, Aashwasan, and happy birthday to you.